Okay, so now I have that chicken juice. It was from the chicken I was cooking in the crock pot. I'm going to strain that, get all the fat and stuff out of it. And now we got some chicken broth. I'm going to put in the freezer and scoop the fat off. Okay. Put that over. And this is the end result. So you've got some chicken stock. And put the cover on it and put in the refrigerator first and then in the freezer. Okay, so I'm gonna make some jollof rice using some of the seasoning I just made. So I have a can here of diced tomatoes, fire roasted. I'm gonna put them in the blender with a food processor and blend them up. For there. It won't come off. Okay. You can also do this in the blender if you don't have a food processor. And this is what this looks like. Okay. Okay, so now I'm going to use my Instant Pot, as you can see. I'm using the Instant Pot to make my jollof rice. I'm going to turn it on to the sear. And let it heat up and have it on sear on high. I'm going to put some coconut oil in there. Put 2 heaping tablespoons in there. Okay, and if you don't have an Instant Pot, you can use a large saucepan. So I'm going to let that melt. Okay, so while that's melting, I'm going to wash my rice. I always wash my rice, don't care where it comes from. So I have jasmine rice here. And I'm going to use 3 cups. And you usually want to use twice the water to the rice. So that's 1. I'm going to put this in here. 2. 3. So that would mean I would need 6 of those cups of water. But because I'm washing the rice and it's got a lot of water in it, I'll only use 5. So this is how we wash the rice. You want to squeeze it. You see all that cloudiness, that starch, and any dirt that might be in it. And then you want to do this. Probably do it about 3 or 4 times. starch is what makes the rice stick together. Okay, rinse it off one more time. And then we go check on our oil in the Instant Pot. Okay. Okay, so the oil has melted, and I'm now going to put some of my green seasoning in there. Quite a bit, because it's going to make the rice taste really good. It smells so good. I wish that this thing had smell-o-vision. The aroma is to die for. We'll come back when that's cooked for a little bit, maybe about 5 minutes. Okay, I'm now going to put my blended tomato in there. It's going to give it a lovely flavour. Whoops. Waste not, want not. Let's get it all. Let's get it all. Okay. Let that cook for a little bit, and then we're going to put our rice in. Oh, actually, let me put my seasoning in. Now, this is chicken bouillon that I'm going to put in there. And I'm also going to put a bit of my chicken stock that I made this morning in there. This is quite salty, so you don't need to put salt in your food, okay? You can see I'm putting about that much in there. I don't measure. And a little bit of the chicken stock from this morning. Alright, so let that all cook up for a minute, for about a good 5 minutes, and then we're going to put the rice in. Okay, so we're back to our rice. So now I'm going to put the rice in. This has been cooking for about 5 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to put some water in there. Remember I said 5 cups, that's what I'm going to put in there. I'm going to stir it around. Okay, so I'm now going to cook this on pressure on the rice setting. Alright, I'm going to put this on, put it to seal. And the rice setting on here. And it's right here. Oops, let me turn it off of saute first. There it is, 12 minutes. Okay, so we'll look at the finished product. Okay, so this is the jollof rice, and this was natural release, so I'm going to stir it up. I think I should have put some more tomatoes in it. It didn't come out as tomatoey as I wanted it to. But the rice looks very good, nice consistency. It smells really good too. Those seasonings in there. Okay, I should have put some more tomatoes in there. But it looks like well seasoned rice. So let me see. Make it a plate. Taste a little bit. Very good. Delicious. I would suggest doing this with 2 cans and maybe some tomatoes. This is very tasty. Very tasty. All right, thank you.